Everybody wants the Generlink, but how do people know if it's approved in their area? And what is the install process?
You're right, that's a question we get a lot. Like, will my utility approve it? Will they not? So here's the cool thing. Yes, your utility has to approve this because it's touching their meter and their equipment. So you need their permission to do that. But every person who buys the Generlink, we reach out to you, we'll ask you questions about who your utility is. And if your utility has no idea what a Generlink is, because some of them don't, it's been out for like 15 years, I'm not sure how they don't know, but we help educate them on what it is. And a lot of them love it because of the safety factors that are built into it, right? So just order it, we'll give you a shout, we'll dot I's and cross T's and hold your hand through that process there. What is the installation process? Many different states and cities have different codes and things, and again, we'll help you walk through that. Usually you'll have an electrician come out, but sometimes the utility themselves actually come out and install it. And if you live in one of those places where they just don't know what the Generlink is and not sure about it, we have this model up here, which is called our California model. And we know our friends in California, y'all need some backup out there. And so we're here to help you out.